Top 6 health benefits of garlic. Imagine having a secret weapon in your kitchen that could boost your immunity, lower your blood pressure, and even help you lose weight. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because that secret weapon exists, and it's hiding in plain sight: garlic. This video is all about the mind-blowing health benefits of garlic. From its ability to fight off harmful bacteria to its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, we'll explore all the ways garlic can improve your well-being. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this humble ingredient and the powerful benefits it holds. Let's get started. Aid in metabolism. One of the less talked about benefits of garlic is how it gives your metabolism a little boost. This ingredient speeds up your body's metabolic rate, which can lead to weight loss and improved health. But how exactly does garlic boost metabolism? Well, it all comes down to the compounds found in garlic, specifically allicin. When garlic is chopped or crushed, it releases allicin, which is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Studies show that allicin can increase the production of enzymes in the liver that breaks down fat and carbs. This means that your body burns more calories even when you're just sitting around, giving your metabolism a kick in the pants. Garlic also contains diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine. These compounds can stimulate the production of heat shock proteins, which are involved in thermogenesis, the process where your body burns calories to produce heat. Another way garlic aids in metabolism is by increasing the production of thyroid hormones. The thyroid is a gland in your neck that produces hormones that help regulate your metabolism. By increasing the production of these hormones, garlic ends up helping your body burn more calories and lose weight more easily. Natural antibiotic. For our next benefit, garlic is a natural antibiotic for the gut. Garlic contains compounds that fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites that cause gut-related issues. One of the most well-known examples is Candida, a type of yeast that can overgrow in the gut and lead to symptoms such as bloating, gas, and a feeling of fullness. Studies have found that garlic can help to reduce the growth of Candida in the gut, helping to alleviate these symptoms. Another condition that garlic helps with is Helicobacter pylori, a type of bacteria that can cause stomach ulcers and even stomach cancer. Consuming garlic aids in wiping out and reducing the growth of Helicobacter pylori in the gut, making it an effective natural remedy for stomach ulcer. Liver detox. Garlic, nature's little liver detoxifier. You might be surprised to learn that garlic is a go-to ingredient when it comes to keeping your liver healthy. Not only does it contain compounds that can help flush out toxins, but it also supports the liver's natural detoxification processes. One of the key ways garlic detoxifies the liver is by activating enzymes that neutralize harmful toxins. These enzymes, known as glutathione transferases, bind to toxins and make them more water-soluble, so they can be eliminated from the body more easily. The high levels of allicin in garlic also get rid of harmful bacteria and parasites in the gut, which in turn can reduce the load on the liver. Studies have also linked garlic to a reduced risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition that often leads to liver damage and even liver failure. Reduces blood pressure. Garlic has been shown to have a positive impact on both blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In a study conducted by the University of Maryland Medical Center, participants who took a daily garlic dose saw a significant decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Another study found that consuming garlic regularly can lower LDL cholesterol levels, also known as bad cholesterol. But how does garlic work its magic on the heart? The sulfur compounds found in garlic are believed to be responsible for its cholesterol-lowering effects. These compounds help to remove plaque buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart stroke and any other coronary diseases. Additionally, garlic has a blood-thinning effect, which helps to lower blood pressure by preventing blood clots. It's important to note that while garlic may have these benefits, it's not a replacement for any prescribed medication or treatment for high blood pressure or cholesterol levels. Aid in inflammation. As you may know, inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, from heart disease to cancer, and antioxidants are crucial for keeping our cells healthy and functioning properly. So how does garlic fit into all of this? Well, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, research has it that the compounds found in garlic, such as allicin, inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules in the body. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants, which are essential for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that lead to damage to your DNA, causing cell death and even cancer. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and help prevent this damage from occurring. So, by consuming garlic, you're not only helping to reduce inflammation, but you're also giving your body a powerful defense against harmful free radicals. Reducing appetite. Have you ever found yourself constantly snacking or feeling hungry, even after a full meal? Well, it turns out garlic may be the solution you've been looking for. Studies have shown that consuming garlic can lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake and a decrease in hunger levels. One study found that participants who consumed garlic powder before a meal experienced a significant decrease in hunger and an increase in feelings of fullness. But how does garlic do this? It's all thanks to allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin also has a direct effect on the hunger-regulating hormone ghrelin, reducing its secretion and helping to curb your appetite. Example of how you can incorporate garlic into your diet. Adding garlic to our diet is easy, but why not take it to the next level with this delicious and nutritious anti-inflammatory recipe? This recipe combines the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of garlic with other ingredients that are known to have similar effects. First, you'll need 3 lemons, preferably organic, that have been well cleaned and cut into thin slices. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Next, you'll need some organic honey. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for sore throats and other inflammatory conditions. It's also a great natural sweetener that can help balance out the tartness of the lemons. Then you'll need 4 centimeters of fresh ginger. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce pain and swelling. Peel the ginger and slice it into thin slices. 4 to 5 garlic cloves cut into small pieces. Finally, add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is also popular for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood sugar levels. To prepare the recipe, take your sliced lemons, garlic, and ginger and add them to a pot and add honey and cinnamon. Let it cool and then enjoy this flavorful and healthy drink that helps reduce inflammation in the body. It becomes a kind of syrup. Take a good spoonful of this substance before going to sleep to relax the intestines. You can store the mixture in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in, friends. We covered some pretty powerful benefits of garlic today, but there's so much more to learn about this amazing food. If you're looking to add more garlic to your diet, you can try the anti-inflammatory recipe we discussed today or come up with your own. And remember, the best way to get the most out of garlic is to consume it raw. So don't be shy, give it a try. As always, I love to hear from you all in the comments section. So let me ask you this, what's your favorite way to incorporate garlic into your meals? Let me know in the comments below.